one? I don't know. Could be here in like 10 minutes, could be here in 1 hour. Theoretically I have 1 hour, but it could be way less. I have no idea. Let's see what I can do. I shouldn't do anything that is not easily fixable. I shouldn't like break my cables and leave those in a unsuitable way. Because if I have to run away, I can't leave the game AFK without power. I mean, I can, but everything will stop working. So, I think I was working on something here. I have to prepare this too. Oh, I got some blocks. Cool. I started this one too. Let's see what. Okay. This was out of wood. Well, I think even if I get it more wood, probably it won't go any faster. There isn't a better pyrolyze oven. I need more. Maybe a second greenhouse would be enough. Yeah, it doesn't even need here. Doesn't really need anything too weird for this stuff, so wood seeds, essence. I'm going to get more of those. I think it should keep up with this without bothering with a multi-block. Here, wood seeds, this one, and another PVC. This one, 4 stacks. 4 stacks per second. Per second sounds low. This pipe now sounds slow. Sense. Fine. There's one. Here. There's one. Here. 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 I need the 2. Here. Here. Okay. And Palladium. No. Here. Here. There. There. Okay. Here. It was 0. Okay, this one is now constantly on. Perfect. Fix the flickering. I don't know if a coil upgrade. Okay, now it's no longer flickering. Then, before I start working this machine here is too slow. This one is being a bottleneck. It's not extracting things quickly enough. So, compressor, I'm going to get 2 more. Start. Okay. Then, active transformers. I will probably not doing more turbines. But first of all, what I'm going to do, like, I can't do those taller because the cable will burn, and I'm too lazy to replace the cable. Maybe I can do this one like that. Yeah, here I will have another transformer with other turbines. The thing I want to redo, however, is the output. So here, laser. This. Okay, which are the laser cables? This one. Why is it called normal? Is there another version? Why is this one normal? Same recipe of GTNH2. Here. Also, I will need more plugs. Right? But is this one too many? No, it should fit. Should fit, okay. we'll want more of those here, and the dynamos. Let's do 16 to get started. Okay, those two go. One is an assembler, clean room assembler. This one has the clean room upgrade. The other one is bending here. Okay, it's got a bunch of this. Go. And does this one need a maintenance? Ethernet doesn't have maintenance. Okay, done. Filter conducting here. How long we forget this? Oh, I'm already crafting some. There. You have to paint it. How does it work? Okay, no, it's like optical fiber, you just connect. Oh, this one cannot bend. Right? Okay, can't even connect it bent. Target. Okay, perfect. Even here. Here. Then let's put transformer here, transformer to here. I'm not too sure about what I'm doing, if you are wondering. Just getting more surface to output power mostly. No need here. We need the substation outputs. No energy for cutting machine. Cutting machine should get upgraded. Here I'm going to do a ring of outputs. Can put more outputs in the future here probably. 64, 8 of those are 500 amps. 16 are 1000. Okay, this one can make many plugs. Here. I have to do it all around. Yeah, I was wondering if there was a way of tricking the system into cornering it. I was wondering, but that's not those things. Plug here. If it did, I'm afraid of it breaking in the future or having issues. Okay, this one is working. Yeah, it needs way more crystals. But making more of those for the crystals. Okay, cutting machine. I have to do more cutting machines too. Instead of getting lubricant to the cutting machine, I'm going to make more cutting machines. So, let's get more of those. And cut, no. Shredder, no. Slicing, yes. I'm going to make at least 4 to get started. And I'll get cutting machine itself later. I'm going to do a sub-network. Yeah, it's so slow. It will probably be faster to get a new cutting machine. So, it only has this stuff inside. I'm going to drop this. Probably over there. Interface. Here. It's fiber. Cables. Here. Here. King. And just for things that must be cut. And okay. So things that need cutting will now go there. Why is this on offline? Why does it not get power? Wait, what? What? What is this? How did it work so far? Oh, okay, I removed this cable, that is the issue. Just remove the cable. This one will rotate that way. That. Okay. I'm going to let it finish, and then I will upgrade it. It's cutting with water, it's super slow. But, okay, I do have some lubricant now. I'm afraid of running again out of lubricant. I'd rather make more cutting machine. As far as I know, lasers can only be used on transformers. Okay, this one now works. Then I need a wireless connector here. Then I'm going to make more cutting machines soon. Oh, this one is finishing up. Okay, the cutting machine is a project I will complete soon. It's not too much of a big deal. It's more of a problem. There's stuff here. Okay, I should get a second one soon. Those are crafting in the meanwhile. Maybe. Okay. Can complete a transformer. The other one didn't form earlier. Okay, it does work. So. Here. There was a tool for... It's a little bit late to get this one. It's a little bit late. I should have made this one like 5 tiers ago at least. Oh, so nice. Wait, what? Oh, rip. Okay, that is what I wanted to do. Okay. Okay, the buffer stops at this much. Yeah, with what I'm doing now, it's useful. Here. Don't know why I'm not making 9. Yeah, maybe here we'll have a laser in the future, I don't know. But it will be ugly. How do I clean it? Guess it can't be resetted. That's an issue. Am I going to need this one in the future? Something useless. Don't think I will need this ever again. Yeah, not using this one anymore. Probably. Memory card and... whatever. Those two can stay in there. Okay, last one. Then I could make more turbines. I don't know. Well, at least now I can draw energy from this one, because I think earlier on it couldn't get enough energy out of it for all of them, for the heat chambers. Okay, probably heat chambers are not working now. Did I break my wrench or... no, it's here. This one is for crafting. Time to get a new wrench. No. This one. This one is a good material. Yeah. I more or less estimated that I needed... oh wait, those were enough. I mean, each one of those... no, those were not enough. Yeah, I needed 4 of those. 4 of those are just enough for a UHV 64 amps converter. So all of those were used just for the heat chambers. I had 2 left, which basically were for the mega blast furnaces. So just the heat chambers and rotary air furnaces alone will take all of those connectors. Tungsten card. But no, what I have is perfect. How much speed is tungsten carbide? 64. Okay, it's a little bit more speed. But this one has more durability. I'm sticking with this one. I want, if anything, I want more durability. Like, I like from 40 to 70 speed probably. So something in that range with more durability would be good. But this one is already perfect. Yeah, I have neutronium tools here. I don't use those because if I use this one to like remove a hatch here, it will overshoot and remove everything. So I keep neutronium tools in my backpack. When I have to remove big areas of stuff, I use those. But for normal tweaking of multi-blocks, I don't want to have super quick tools, otherwise I end up misclicking and destroying everything. Okay, again, why does this one not form? When did I pose it? What does this mean? Are you telling me that they copied the explosions of the active transformers? Like, does it blow up if I break a block? Like, we have multi-blocks that lose progress instead of voiding recipes, and then you tell me that transformers blow up. Even GTNH removed the transformer explosions. That's why I don't like... Yeah, I don't like when modpacks try to be GTNH. Like, you don't... They don't... Modpacks don't have to copy everything GTNH does. If I want to play GTNH, I play GTNH, not another modpack that looks like GTNH. No, this one could most likely be copy-pasted. Okay, controller goes here. Yeah, how not? Even GTNH doesn't do that anymore. Stress proof. Here. Should be like that. And I think it's like this. Oh, wait. It may be wrong. No. One more block. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. I will wall share the input. Here. Wait. There should be two missing blocks. 1 and 2. Okay. No, no, it's not. Okay, this is where I take. Here. Roller was supposed to be 1 block lower. Here. No, whatever, we'll rebuild the other one. Want to remove. Okay. Good. This one was supposed to be 1 block lower. Yeah, I was wondering exactly about that. Dragon Steel. Which are the glasses I just broke? Dragon Steel and Light. Was it just this glass or something else too? Yeah, I have disabled sounds. I keep getting sounds mostly during the weekend. Otherwise, it bothers me if I have to use things. Is there a way of having the game sounds disabled when the game is not? Yeah, no. Thing is that I'm on Linux. I should look for Linux. Because probably the solution is probably something operative system wide, not something. Wait, this one is wrong. One. It looks wrong. There should be a second block missing. Oh, this one. Okay, okay, okay. I didn't have enough nether stars. Wait, was it one? Oh yeah, you're right. Maybe I forget it. I can't get enough nether stars, so I made a couple more heat chambers. How many? Okay, finally I have more than 10,000. Finally. All of those are working. I don't remember. Are those 16 or 32? I don't remember. Finite here. Okay, hopefully. No, wait, this is wrong. Dragon still. Okay, I should put hatches, then I will see what happens. Yeah, but I don't like the amount of TNTs required the other way. Like, I don't like the idea of a loop that takes one input to make 1.1. With nether stars, it's way better. Like, I think it's worth it to build those extra chambers. Like, I feel like it's looping and producing nothing with the other configuration. Here, no, perfect. Here. Okay, perfect symmetry. Missing one. Here. Okay, then. You know what? I'm not going to do a subnetwork for this. I'm going to just do this. Why is there a different block here? Why are those two different? Those are back to back. It should be symmetrical. I screwed up the building of those two. Maybe it's not going to form. I'd rather, like, the issue about power really depends on production. It doesn't sound like much, like, it's like 2 turbines each machine, I don't remember. But I can buffer power. Yeah, I can also buffer this. But I'm not having such big... Yeah, there are many ways of playing. I can see your point. I can see your point. This one probably will need a second converter. I'm going to draw this cable. Melodium, let's get converter UV 64 amps. Here. And here. There. And this one. Here. This one. Please form, please form, please form, please. Why is it not forming yet? What else am I forgetting? This point. This one will go. Yep. Okay. What am I forgetting? Heat chamber. No, wait, it's not heat chamber, it's this one. Okay. Is it a muffler? No. Yes, I have the USB battery. No. Either I broke some glass, which could totally be. Hmm. Well, glass. Which one has here? Let's see. Nothing. What else could be missing? Maintenance, energy, output, input. Maybe I didn't put enough input outputs. Oh, is that the issue? Oh, yeah, that was the issue. Thanks. Still doesn't fall. Okay, what else is wrong? Maintenance. Anything missing? I messed it up the first time. The output fetch. Wait, is this one? Input bus is wrong. Why? Wait, it's totally different. No, wait, okay, this one. Did I build those too much one close to the other? Yeah, okay. That was not how those were supposed to be wall share. That's the issue. That wall share is wrong. Two blocks too close. Yeah, one block each. Here. That is why there was a block out of place. So it's supposed to go here. Okay. Yeah, I compress the compressor, yeah. Here, here, here. At this point I should probably, for safety. Okay. No. Okay, now. So the original. Oh no, it placed hatches where it wanted it to. Oh no, now hatches are. Where did it put the other hatches? I had an extra maintenance. Oh no, it's still here. Okay, okay, it's still here. I thought it placed the hatches wherever it wanted to. Now, to avoid issues, I'm going to keep those things here. The output hatch. Oh no. Okay, here. Oh, that's exactly where I wanted it to. Wait, not really. I'm going to keep this one here. Okay. Now this one should be wall shared. Like this, right? Yeah. Energy hatch parallel. There should be an input bus, which was supposed to be here. I expect one of those blocks to be missing somewhere. There should be one of those blocks missing. Come on, what's wrong now? I ran out of dragon glass. Maybe it's just missing glass. Yeah, I already had the energy hatch, so maybe it was not the issue. This one will go here. There. Alright. This one is a little bit ugly. Here. And here. 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 Can I please be that? Please. No. That was not the issue. Okay, what am I missing here? Stand still. Oh, it was that probably. And atom. Yeah, when I made those closer, it used less blocks. Huh? I can't tell if it did add blocks or not. Oh, there are holes inside it. Now the brown block. What is the brown block? Soul infused casing. Okay. Oh, this one is probably what's missing. Still doesn't form. This one also needs those two. Here. Oh, no, wait, that is glass. Fusion blocks. All messed up. I should have thrown that into HU and reordered the wall. The block. That was not it. Yeah, let's check high power casings too. No. This one probably does need, yeah. Tungsten steel pipe maybe, but no. Tungsten steel pipe. I only have one. Not used. Not used. Like I think there should be like a hole somewhere in those. Also it will be. Wait, which mode? Compressor. Come on, what's the issue? Energy, it's not a dynamo. Are there any other press casing? Don't see anything wrong. Okay. Used. I should have crafted just enough of those. Should be normal that there are no leftovers. This one was not used, right? Twine, Sheelite, Dragon Steel. Twine, Sheelite, Dragon Steel. I have leftover of each. Fusion casings I had leftover. What's wrong with this one? Could it be that it needs like an input hatch or something? Output hatch is here. That one is part of the machine. Should be. me output hatch. If I move this one, not. Is it normal that there is a hole? Oh, that one was it. That block here was the. Okay, that was the issue. Yeah, actually, if I made one at a time, I would have seen it. Memory card. Thing is that I built the first one. I made it work, almost work. Yeah, I did make it one at a time. Then the issue was that I destroyed half of it, and then didn't rebuild the first one. Then placed it wrongly, and etc. etc. You know how it went. Take a moment. Okay. Okay. Really working, I guess. Okay, that should be 3 times the singularity speed production. Okay, and this fluid is used for those which were issue. So it's not really crafting. Oh, it did do everything. Oh yeah, nice. Cutting machine soon. This one is making more. Perfect. So I'm going to set up the stargate. How many did I need of those? 9 of those. 8 more. Go. Okay. Meanwhile, okay, that should really show the power drain. I hear my computer fans turning on even. Okay, a little bit of power drain. Could be more, could be less. Don't know how many amps those are. Now, cutting machine was an issue. Then I may look into making more power. I also have to prepare this. UHV 16 amps converter. Let's get that one for the quest. For this car. Okay, already done. Here. Data. Let's do that first, which is needed. Okay. There are no issues with this. It should just work like that. This one, I must check if I have big enough input hatches. Yes, Stellarium. I'm using Stellarium. Next one is, yeah, I'm using this one. Only 2 tiers left. Oh, I misclicked. This material does, okay, that's a long alloy. Oh, this one. So, Zircon, Stellarium, Zapologene. Okay. What's this? How is this thing produced? Is it a weird alloy? Okay, I guess I will figure out. Okay. One goes to the blocks here. How much space? Okay, UV can hold enough fluid. So that one is a crystal interface. That thing. Double it. Yeah. 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 Here. Okay. Let's add a little bit of now. Okay, it's not we'll probably get more blast furnaces too. Those are those can keep up within a quadria. Yeah, I'm going to need more of those too. No, I'm avoiding passive. If I want to play with, if I want to passive craft, I will be playing Factorio. I'm going to use H1 now. Okay, so currently, oh, cutting machine. What do you think? This one is what I wanted. Okay, that's annoying. No, I lost one. Okay, this one. This one. This one. Wait. Yeah. Those two are molecular assembler. No. Like parts. Okay, should be quick. One. Okay, maybe you know what? Here. Okay, cut the machine. Let's get four. Go. Okay. Okay, we'll see when I will have to do that thing. Now, cut the machines. Can probably fit those behind the laser. This one. Oh, come on. Okay, I will figure out a way. Once I get there, I will figure out a way. That's why I have two sets of machines. Like, I can do a set of machines. I'm still going to do it on demand, but on a different set of machines. Like I do with plates, I have the bulk processing for huge batches, and the old late for old bending, old late for things I need like 3 things of. Okay, I need this thing to be done. Let's see. Okay, process this, please. Probably it's done. Good. Okay, that should complete my cutting machines. Unless I will need more vacuum freezers if I get more EBFs. Come on, why is my bending clogged? What is this doing? Oh, did I reach now? Are those that slow? Maybe it's something else. Yes. Oh, foil. Titanium. Where is titanium? Here. And a quadrifoil. Yeah. I'm not going to multiply because otherwise I will have to restart the recipes, which I'm too bothered of. I should get more coprocessors. Okay, then it will get my thing finally. I ran out of neutronium. I thought I had a lot stocked up. And even this stuff. Well, it's not even using all of the ABSs. Okay, I saw it stop. Okay, there. Perfect. Now, what's the actual size of this thing? Okay, can totally go more in there. Yeah, sounds right. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 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 Okay. Now, goes. That's here, splicing here, 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 here. Run out of cutting boards. Here. There. Okay, it's incomplete because it doesn't have the hatch. I'm going to use water because I can't be bothered. Can't be bothered with making lubricant. I'm already using it in other places. Then it's going to run out of lubricant, and I don't want to bother with that. Those and output bus. Let's not forget 16 amps. Why am I bringing those wherever I go? Need more of those. Maybe an energy hatch. At some point, I will upgrade it, I guess. Check 3. For the moment, I'm going to go with water. Maintenance, water, let's forget parallel. Should I use a UHV energy patches? Also I need the other kind of maintenance. I need this one. 1, 2. Here. 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 I mean, it's only going to be 3 times the time. Let's see. Yeah, what's the issue? It's only twice the time. It's only twice the time. That means I can use twice the amount of machines and the result will be the same. Yeah, but if I make twice the machines, it doesn't change. Okay, we make twice the amount of machines. Rip. Here. We have UHV energy. How long does it take to get those? Whichever is ready first. Okay, then here I will have main A2. Main A2 will be here, 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 here. While subnetwork will be here. Because there are too many things that can lubricant production. In the future I will see, I may do it. Alright. This one goes here. Right. Wireless. This one here. This one goes here. Right. Done. Too much now quadra processing. Okay, I should stop this one for a moment. And probably that one too. Thing is that if I have to produce lubricant, yeah, yeah, maybe in the future I will end up making more lubricant. I don't know. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, the thing is that I was using lubricant in the cutting machine. I ran out and I couldn't craft the stargate, so rather than using it in cutting machines, I keep it for stargate. Like, to get lubricant, I have to make like 4 machines. At this point, I rather get 4 cutting machines on water. It sounds like easier, faster. Okay, I need more blast furnaces. But then I will need more turbines. Oh, and a quadra is basically done. Okay, I should quickly complete everything now. Oh, true. Oh, that's true. I don't have to use the distillery. But the pyrolyze oven doesn't do. Pyrolyze oven gets to 1 tick crafting, then it doesn't do anything better, as far as I noticed. Why is it making so much quadra again? What's all of this for? Come on, clean up everything. Okay, that's doing Nakoda. Oh, it does have subtick? Okay, then if it does subtick, I'm going to do lubricant. But not now. Now I'm gonna hurry. Does it? If it has... Okay, if the pyro oven has subtick, then I'm going to spam lubricant. If it doesn't, I'm going to avoid using too much lubricant. Come on, get stuff done. Chemical reactor is the real issue now. Am I out of neutronium for this? Come on. Okay, it already got my water back. Okay, here. Can I get some of those already? Yes. One. Start again. UHV. Nothing. 16 amps. Nothing. Oh, this one is crafting now. Okay, I got another maintenance. Alright, this one goes here. Yeah, I wish there was a way of knowing what has subtick and what not. Here. Okay, this one. This one. Then. Alright. I should probably have used the UHV for those machines. Here. Converter. This one. Sodium. Here. This one. Okay, I did form. Perfect. I really have to connect the outputs. Here. And then I will need more chemical reactors after this. Because the issue is no longer the cutting machine, but the chemical reactor that does the weird thing. I forgot the name. The thing to cut the wafer. Okay. Those have nothing to do. Okay, why does it not work? Clean room maintenance. Not assume it's working. Oh yeah, there is stuff ready. Let's connect to that one. Right. That. Okay. Good. Now, I'm going to prepare 8 rotary earth blast furnaces, just in case. And then, what was the thing? Okay, I need the DHD, the crystal interface. Crystal interface, go. DHD, done. Okay. Stargate, 9 of those. 8 more, go. Okay, and finally 14 of those. Go. Okay, so theoretically I'm crafting the Stargate. The question is if it will complete by the time I come back or not. But I think the only bottleneck will be the rotary earth furnaces, but I'm already crafting more here. Okay, now I have to go. See you later, don't know when, don't know if I will have the thing ready or what to do. Power is the other issue. Well, they have a nice buffer. This one can really, how do I say it? Amortize. This one can juggle the power. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.